Mustard greens health benefits, uses, side effects and nutritional facts. Mustard greens, a peppery tasting leafy vegetable, are part of the cruciferous family, which includes kale, broccoli, and cabbage. Known for their vibrant green color and bold flavor, they are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These greens are celebrated for their versatility in cooking and their role in promoting overall health. Health benefits of mustard greens: rich in antioxidants. Mustard greens contain high levels of antioxidants such as beta carotene and flavonoids, which help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. 2. Supports heart health. Potassium and dietary fiber in mustard greens help regulate blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, improving cardiovascular health. 3. Boosts immunity. High in vitamin C. Mustard greens strengthen the immune system and enhance the body's ability to fight infections. 4. Promotes bone health. These greens are an excellent source of vitamin K and calcium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 5. Aids in detoxification. Mustard greens contain glucosinolates and chlorophyll, which support liver detoxification and help eliminate toxins from the body. 6. Supports eye health. The presence of lutein and zeaxanthin protects against age-related macular degeneration and improves overall eye health. 7. May reduce cancer risk. Sulforaphane and other phytonutrients in mustard greens have been linked to reduced risks of certain cancers. 8. Improves skin health. Vitamin A and antioxidants promote healthy skin, reducing the signs of aging and damage from UV exposure. Uses of mustard greens are 1. Culinary applications: sauteed or stir-fried, combined with garlic and olive oil for a simple, nutritious side dish. Soups and stews: add to broths or stews for extra flavor and nutrition. Salads: use young leaves for a spicy twist in fresh salads. Juicing: blend mustard greens into smoothies or juices for a nutrient boost. Pickling: ferment mustard greens for a tangy, probiotic, rich food too. Traditional remedies: mustard greens have been used in traditional medicine for their detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties. They are also believed to aid digestion and improve respiratory health. Side effects of mustard greens: while mustard greens are generally safe and healthy, excessive consumption may lead to the following issues. 1. Thyroid interference. As a cruciferous vegetable, mustard greens contain goitrogens, which may disrupt thyroid function in individuals with thyroid disorders. 2. Digestive discomfort. High fiber content can cause bloating or gas in people unaccustomed to a fiber-rich diet. 3. Kidney stones. Mustard greens contain oxalates, which may contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. 4. Vitamin K and blood thinners. High levels of vitamin K can interfere with anticoagulant medications like warfarin. Nutritional facts of mustard greens. The approximate nutritional values per 100 grams of raw mustard greens are as follows: calories 27, protein 2.9 grams at 504 grams, carbohydrates 4.7 grams, fiber 3.2 grams, of vitamin A 118% of the daily values, D vitamin C 65% and vitamin K 5.2% of the DV, calcium 150 mg, iron 1.6 mg, potassium 3884 mg. Conclusion: mustard greens are a nutrient-dense vegetable that provides a wealth of health benefits, from improving heart and bone health to supporting the immune system and aiding in detoxification. Their spicy flavor and versatility in cooking make them an excellent addition to various dishes. While generally safe to eat, individuals with thyroid conditions, kidney issues, or those on blood thinning medications should consume them in moderation. Incorporating mustard greens into your diet can be a flavorful and health boosting choice for overall well being. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.